Welcome to Get Glimpse channel. Changing your name on Instagram involves two distinct elements. That is your username, also known as your handle, and your display name. Both can be updated directly within the Instagram app or via the web. So here is an updated step-by-step guide to changing both. So the process is largely the same for both mobile and desktop, but I will just show you the both methods. So the first method we shall start with is using the Instagram mobile app, whether it's iOS or Android. You need to make sure that the app is updated first. Now, once that's done, launch the Instagram app on your smartphone or tablet. Tap on your profile picture once you are inside here in the bottom right corner of the screen. Right here below your profile picture and bio, you'll see a button labeled Edit Profile. Go ahead and tap on it. Now, inside here, you can see all these options. To change your display name, you'll tap on the name field right here. Delete the current name and type in your desired new display name. Just remember that the limit of 2 changes is within 14 days. Tap on done once done, or check mark here in the top right corner to save it. Another thing is to change your username. Just come back here, tap on the username field, delete the current username and type in your desired new username. Instagram will immediately tell you if the username is available or if it's already taken. If it's taken, you need to try a different one. Consider adding periods, underscores, or numbers. Now tap on done for iOS or checkmark right here in the top right corner to save it. This is important. You might see a notice about your old username being held for 14 days. Just confirm the change. Another method is now using the Instagram website, that is the desktop browser. Just to open your favorite browser on your desktop, I'm inside here. Now go ahead and type in www.instagram.com. You should be brought in here. Once you enter, just log in if you are not already brought inside here. Now go to your profile, click on your profile picture in the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on edit profile on your profile page. This is usually next to your username. And now change your display name first. In the name field, type your new display name. Remember the 2 changes as we said on the app is in 14 days limit. Also, to change your username, in the username field, type your new desired username. The website will also indicate if the username is also available. Remember the 14-day hold for your old username. So now submit the changes, scroll down and click submit button to save all your changes. These are some of the important considerations after changing your username. Notify your audience, especially for username change. If you have a significant following, consider making a post or story to inform your followers of your new username. This helps prevent confusion and even user not found errors if they try to find you by your old handle. Also, update external links. If you have used old Instagram profile link on your website, email signature, business cards, or other social media platforms, remember to update them with your new URL. Also, reverting to an old username, you have 14 days to change back to your previous username, provided no one else has claimed it in the meantime. After 14 days, your old username becomes available for anyone else to take it. So by following these steps, you can easily update your Instagram identity to better reflect your personal brand or business. And yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, then please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.